Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at three potential altcoins to buy. So right now in the past 24 hours, the market is pretty much flat here, down about 0.1%. Our top gainers in the past 24 hours are going to be Keep Network, which is up about 42%, trading right around this 99 cents area. Our highest volume is going to be Bitcoin, 28.1 billion, which is actually a lot lower than what we've been used to with over 40 billion in the volume. Ethereum, 13.8 billion. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is trading at 61,000. It's been flat here in the past 24 hours. Ethereum down 1%, trading around this 3,800 area, almost 3,900. Binance Coin is flat, trading at 470. All these other altcoins are either down a percent or up a percent or two. And then obviously we have a little bit of outliers down here like Axie Infinity and also Algorand, which are up about 2% or so. But most of these altcoins are down up or 1% or 2%. And that's something to keep in mind. So everything seems to be kind of flat right now, and we're waiting for an uptrend or a downtrend to happen going into next weekend. Obviously, with the stock market, we have earnings and different things coming up in the next few weeks. So that could be a big move, obviously, for crypto as well, and as well as the crypto ETF potential that everybody's waiting for now because it's been approved. Everybody's waiting for that, Bitcoin or crypto ETF to come out, which is going to be huge, obviously, for the stock market as well, and something that we're going to be very, very excited about. So, guys, go ahead, let's smash that like button. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. We just hit 44,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you so much for that. And leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrency are you going to be watching in the month of October and this upcoming week. So our first altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. Luna is here trading flat in the past 24 hours. It is trading at this $37 range. In the past week, we're actually down 12%. In the past month, we're down 1%. So pretty much trading flat on the 1 month chart. But on the 1 year chart, we're up over 11,610%. As last month, this was trading around 31, 32 cents. We saw it hit highs here of about $20 in March. And then here, even though the market kind of boomed, this one consolidated, and then we went down with the rest of the market under $5 here, trading around this $4 range in May. And then obviously here in July, we started to see an uptrend going higher and higher and higher. We hit highs here of about $50. So from $5 to $50, that is 1,000% gain there in about 2 months. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Terra at the low, you would have came out with over $10,000 profit at the high, which is just insane to think about in 2 months. So imagine if you would have put in $10,000, you would come out with $100,000, which are some insane returns, obviously, to have in about 2 months. This would take years and years in the stock market, but in the crypto space, this is very doable and can happen very quickly. But it's also a high risk, high reward type situation. Currently, the market cap on this coin is going to be 14.9 billion. If we take a look at the volume, it's actually down 34% than usual. And then obviously the all-time high at $50 per coin, like we said. But this coin is definitely one of those popular coins that's going to be watching very, very closely to see how it's going to perform, and if we're going to continue these this push on higher with volume. So as long as volume continues to push on higher in the upcoming months, this could potentially continue to run. As we see this one, it runs, pulls back down, and then runs even harder. So now we're in this pull down mode, and hopefully another volume spike will push this one even higher past that $50 range to new all-time highs. So Terra is definitely an interesting coin with the market cap, right around this 15 billion market cap. It still has a lot of potential for, future growth, and definitely one that we're going to be watching on our chart for any pullbacks, potential dip buying opportunities for the future. So Terra is going to be the number one coin. Our number two coin is going to be Solana, SOL. It's going to be one of those green coins that's been, exploding here in the past few months. We've talked about this coin since it was trading at $20, $30, even before that. So here in the past 24 hours, this one is actually up 2.7%, outperforming the rest of the market. In the past week, we're up 4.5%. In the past month, 7.5%. And then on the 1 year chart, 7,349%, guys. Insane returns. Last October, we were trading right under $2. Hit highs here in May at $50 or so, pulled back down with the rest of the market to about $23. We talked about this coin throughout this whole period, obviously. So even if you would have bought at the top here at any point, right now you would have been making profits. You would have made over 200% profit even if you bought here at the May high that we saw. So right here, the low was $23. It continued to go higher and higher throughout August into September. We hit highs of about $215 right here. So from $25 to $215, that's about a 900% gain or so. We pulled back down with the market, consolidated a little bit, and now we're waiting for the next, uptick, I guess you could say. So as long as the NFT world booms as well, and a lot more people get into the green, renewable energy type situation, Solana is always going to be around. So that's definitely something that's interesting with Solana. Right under the 50 billion market cap right now. Volume is down a little bit at 1.8 billion. Typical hold time is 23 days. It is ranked at number 5 coin, 63% buy activity, 37% sell activity. So Solana is a decentralized computing platform that uses SOL to pay for transactions. Solana aims to improve blockchain scalability by using a combination of proof of stake consensus and so-called proof of history. As a result, Solana claims to be able to support 50,000 transactions per second without having to sacrifice decentralization. This coin is on the uptick, and I believe that this one is going to continue to boom on higher in the future as we continue to do bigger and better things. Obviously, Solana, in my opinion, will continue to just trend on higher, especially with NFTs. NFTs are definitely connected with Solana, and right now we saw a huge, jump in NFTs in the past few months, and that definitely helped this, Solana run as well. A lot of people were, connected with Solana to get into the NFT world, and that's something that we are very, very interested in, guys. So Solana, that's our second coin on this list, and then number 3, coming in the number 3 spot, is going to be Algorand, so Algo. So this one is up about 2.44% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.84. In the past week, we're down about 2.7%, so pretty much flat. In the past month, down about 9.5%, but we see this uptrend and downtrend type situation. So it trades between these two ranges between $1.50 and $2 right here. So that's actually a 30% upside every time. So if you buy the low and sell the top, you're going to gain about a 20 to 30%, profit right there if you can time it perfectly, obviously. In the past year, we're up 489%, trading at around 31 cents last year, hitting highs here at 172, consolidated, couldn't break through those highs for a while, pulled back down all the way to about 70 cents, probably even lower than that in July. And then we obviously saw a spike here to over 255, so almost about a 200% plus gain there happening in about a month or two. So huge spike. We saw a huge spike in certain coins in the past, 2 months or so, in August and September especially. So a lot of these altcoins kind of took off in those past few months, and that's what's been helping them right now. Just like Solana and just like Terra, they're all kind of consolidating right now and waiting for the next move on up with more volume to pick up, obviously. So as the large cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum start to move on higher, we're waiting for these ones to pick up the same pace. So right now, 11.3 billion volume, or 11.3 billion market cap, 346.4 million volume right there, down about 7% or so. So all the volume in the crypto space kind of went down over the weekend. 45-day typical hold time, ranked the number 15 coin, 60% buy activity, 40% sell activity. For those of you who aren't familiar with this coin, Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. So definitely another popular coin to be watching, with the market cap around this 11.3 billion area right now. Has plenty of room to grow potentially in the next 5, 10, 15, or 20 years. Definitely a coin to be watching. So how's the rest of the market performing, guys? Well, let's take a quick look. So Dogecoin trading around this 24 cents area. Dogecoin has pretty much been around this area for the past few weeks. It's pretty much flat as well. Shiba Inu, same type situation, pretty much flat, trading around the same area we've been trading for the past few days now. But obviously Doge and Shiba kind of had this uptrend happen recently. Then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin here around the 61,000 area. As you guys can see here, for the past 24 hours or so, we've been trading in this range between 60,000 and 61,000 back and forth. So obviously for any day traders, you could have been buying at the low, selling at the high, and potentially making some gains right there. In the past week, we're up almost 11%. In the past month, 27.73%, which is really nice. In the past year, 437%. From anybody that got in last year in October at 11,000, obviously now we're at 61,000. Huge gains would have been made even if you just had one coin. Obviously this uptrend here since pretty much July, so everything's been kind of uptrending since July. So about 3 months almost now, we've been just seeing this uptrend, which is beautiful. We're very, very close to the all-time high. We're only about $4,000 away from that. That could happen with a matter of days. So 1.2 trillion market cap currently. The market cap is rising, 38% of the crypto market. That's insane. Bitcoin is a huge chunk of it. Volume down 34% than usual, only at 29.2 billion, like we said. 61% buy activity, 39% sell activity on Bitcoin. So as you guys can see, volume is tapering off right now. Ethereum trading around this 38.59 area. It's been down about 1% in the past 24 hours, up 8% almost in the past week, up 8% in the past month. So in the past month, it's pretty much done nothing. And then on the 1-year chart, 947%, performing very well. Last year, if you would have got in October, $378. Now it's about 10 times more than that. So 1,000% gainer right here at 3,800 area. So we're waiting for that all-time high area at 4,400. So we're about $500, $600 away from that area. Ethereum is at 456 billion market cap right now, which is 15% of the crypto market space. Volume down about 29.66% than usual at 13.8 billion. As you guys can see, 62% buy activity, 38% sell activity, and it is ranked the number 2 coin, obviously. So Ethereum and Bitcoin still doing very well, but volume has kind of tapered off and fell down over the weekend. So we're going to be watching to see how it's going to perform into going into next week. If the volume is going to finally pick back up and continue this uptrend, or we might see a little bit of a consolidation area once again in the big, large cap coins, and hopefully the mid cap and the low cap coins start to trend on higher and see some momentum here, or movement and momentum here in the altcoins, while the large cap coins kind of rest a little bit because they've kind of been overextended right there. And then we see another uptrend, maybe in a few weeks again with Bitcoin and Ethereum to hit all-time highs potentially, and going into the end of 2021. That will be very nice to see as we see a huge rally in the crypto market. That would be something that we're looking forward to. So guys, you let me know in the comments below, what do you think is going to happen in the upcoming week? Is the cryptocurrency going to continue to boom, or we're going to see a consolidation time? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that like button for me. Support the channel for me, guys. That's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. We just hit 44,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation that you're getting into. Thank you, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.